Senator Natasha Akpabio, representing the good people of Kogi Central. I have a petition from the chambers of Inebehe Effiong, written on behalf of the family of late Ochanya Ogbaje. And with your permission, I'll proceed to mention the synopsis of the petition, sir.
Go ahead.
This petition is on the refusal to arrest and prosecute Victor and Andrew Ogbaje for the rape to death of a 13-year-old Ochanya Ogbaje. Miss Ochanya was sent to live with her maternal aunt, Felicia Ogbuja, at the age of 5 in the pursuit of better education. But unfortunately, her uncle, who is the husband to her maternal aunt, named Andrew Ogbuja, and his son, Victor Ogbuja, took turns to rape her from the age of 6 to 13, where she died. By a report from the Benue State University Teaching Hospital, Makodi, it was reported that she developed the VVF, which is a medical term for vesico-vaginal fistula, also the fecal urinary incontinence. And this was basically because she was raped from her vagina and anus daily. And in a video which was made...
You have made the point.
Yes, sir.
So that we can continue.
Of course, sir.
Because all the details are horrifying. We'll proceed to lay the petition.
All right, sir.
So that we can refer it to the committee that will do a thorough job.
Of course. So the family is asking that...
Lay the petition.
Okay.
And the committee will